Hi everyone, welcome back to Learn with Evelyn. Today we're tackling something super simple but incredibly useful, how to use in and on correctly in English. These little words can make a big difference in how you communicate. So let's break it down step by step. First up, in. We use in when we're talking about being inside something or enclosed within boundaries. Think of it as being surrounded by something. For example, 1. I am in the room. 2. She lives in New York. 3. The keys are in the drawer. Easy, right? You can use in for physical spaces, like in the car, or even for abstract things, like in trouble or in love. It's all about being inside. Now let's move on to on. This is all about contact or being on the surface of something. For example, 1. The book is on the table. 2. He is on the phone. 3. The painting is on the wall. See the pattern? Use on when something is resting or placed on a surface, but it doesn't have to be physical. Think about phrases like on TV or on the internet. These work the same way. Now, here's where it can get tricky. People often confuse in and on when describing locations or abstract ideas. Let's clear that up with a quick quiz. Which is correct? 1. The drinks are see the fridge. Answer inasin the fridge because they are enclosed. 2. The glasses are near the table. Answer on the table because they're resting on a surface. Let's take it a step further. Did you know that we also use in and on for time? Here's how it works. Use in for longer periods, in the morning, in December, or in 2024. Use on for specific days or dates, on Monday, on Christmas Day, or on July 4th. Here's a quick tip. If it's a smaller, more specific time, use on. If it's bigger and more general, use in. Easy, right? Let's practice together. Look around you right now and try describing where things are. For example, the pen is on the desk, the notebook is in my bag, the painting is on the wall. Now, pause this video and try describing 3 things around you. I'll wait. Done? Great! The more you practice, the better you'll get. Here are some final tips to remember. 1. Use in when something is enclosed or inside. 2. Use on when something is resting on a surface. 3. Practice with real objects and scenarios in your daily life. That's it for today's lesson on in and on. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up, share it with a friend, and subscribe for more language tips. See you next time.